Dragon Age 2 Gamer AU, aka we didn't want to cosplay anything elaborate today because we're driving back home later.
I almost didn't cosplay at all. I put a wig on and some foundation. It's a mood. So yeah, it's the last day con, and I did the stairs all by myself.
I'm very proud.
Door into the darkness. Is this open yet? We're about to find out. Yeah, it is. Oh. Look at us go in the dark to the con. It is 10:15. Con opened quarter ago. The con opened quarter ago, and
so I'm going to the table, and we're going to see how busy it is on Monday.
We're hoping it's going. We're being naughty. We're kind of hoping it's going to be dead, so that because we need to skedaddle really quite early today. And we feel a little bit bad, but at the same time we got a 6-hour car drive and a car to pack that's probably going to take us 2 journeys, so boy howdy, that's a mood.
That's not a mood.
By mood I mean that's
a very small mood.
That's a very small, it's a mood that I'm in a mood about it. But yeah, let's show you some of the con, because I haven't actually seen any of that. So there's tabletop areas, there's a big car, there's a lot of big cars about. I'm not quite sure why. Pokemon, more Pokemon, that guy, Dobble, a lot of Dobble. Well, you know it's going to be a dead
Minecraft area.
You know it's going to be a quiet day at con when there's not already 40 children fighting over the Minecraft area. But yeah, there's a retro gaming zone, there's stuff over there, and the tree which tells us that we're almost home. The brilliant guys at the Cosplay Forge who've been really cool and they've got really awesome stuff. And Jess!
Oh my gosh, hello!
And the tree.
Hello!
And the wonderful crew. And the stage. And us! Yay! I'll have you
Dirty Luke. Feeling up a mannequin. It's day Monday! Yay!
Day Monday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Tell me how I'm wrong, Debbie.
Well, you're not.
Day 4. And yeah, but things that we aren't using are getting packed up with that. And it is, strangely enough, dead as hell. But then again, we're still only on priority opening right now. And look at us now doing Gamer AU Dragon Age, also known as...
We did a little bit of vlogging the way over, so they know.
And there's a Jane all the way over there. We can just see the hat. Nothing else, just the hat. But yeah.
Really?
Hi, Jess. But yeah, we're going to see what happens today. The Glasgow lot are probably heading off for Elliot to be early.
Yeah. Victor's getting
Edinburgh lot,
today,
even.
So, yeah.
Still adjusting.
Yeah, same. Victor's got to meet on later, so basically just after that we're going to start packing up car.
Fair. And Debbie has made progress with the gauntlet. Yay! And we'll talk to you later. So, bye!
Pretty pictures of the tree with Victor. Looking pretty. Pretty Kaylee. Pretty Kaylee. Looking so pretty. This is looking cute. At the costume and play tree built by Sil. It's a pretty tree. Blah. That way have more of the trees. My voice is going, so. But you know, she could have borrowed some of the kimono try-ons, you know, she could have borrowed some of those. There's some more parasols in there. It's a fan as well, Debbie. There's fans. And we've got our costumes on display, you don't even know if we've been around still we can. Next to the tree. Oh no, I might get back in the background of the picture, so I don't want to do that. We have Tink and a match, and a Connor, and we have you guys. There's fans and stuff in there. There's loads of bits in there you can pose with. Log cams. Pretty pictures. Trying to get Demi to look good in photos is an interesting one.
And there we have the lovely Sia. Looking adorable. Under
It's very small. Oh. It's probably a small lens.
yeah.
I can't on the sides when the trees just sat there. It's like, oh, it's 2 by 6.
He's a good boy. Manual zoom. I don't think we've had one this week.
We haven't done manual zoom, or
There
we
we go.
can.
Manual zoom.
Say hi, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Very tired. I'm waiting for the Starbucks. Yeah. At least coffee. Going till 10 PM last night was not fun. It was fun, but it wasn't fun.
It was fun, but
It was fun, but we were all tired. But it was very funny. You'll see the results.
so yes, we're awaiting
Waiting.
coffee, etc. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Got me the thing!
Are you happy, Sarah?
Right now! I've been looking at my wallet going, can I justify? I don't think, I really shouldn't, but it's right there and Blair beat me to it. I love my Blair. This is going to get me all sparkly and I don't care. I can deal with it. It's so beautiful.
It's very good.
And he doesn't have a borky looking face.
He doesn't.
Impressive.
He actually looks like
a
Bowie.
figure of a person.
I love him.
Look at these nerds.
I was like, oh my god, what's the chances? Another CL in Wonderland. Oh wait, it's a loop. It's these assholes.
We're back.
You know you love us.
Last night was getting the train home. Oh my. We haven't talked.
Drunk women on the train. Drunk women on the train. We were going up the escalator and one grabs Kieran in a vice-like grip and said, "Where are you going?"
To which I replied, home.
And then me and Scott took over because evidently Kieran was not functioning. And then she was going like, "I love your wigs. Do you need those wigs anymore? Can we have them?" No, Sandra. But then it turned to Scott and was going, "Oh my god, you're so beautiful. Is that a wig?" I was like, "Yeah." And then
she like looked at me like,
and then, "Are you not a woman?"
to which I go, no, and she was like, but you're so beautiful.
and then
High five. She was like, high five, and then she was like, and I was like, oh no, you didn't get, you got felt. I got grabbed, I was like, I cannot go.
My favourite was when she went over to her friend, she was like, he's not a woman! And then her friend...
Scott was like, yes!
And then, her friend turned around and went, are they all men? And the yes, and she went, you're all so beautiful. And then evidently they went off to get even more drunk.
I did not feel beautiful. I felt green and tired.
I mean, but it's the dream, right? It's the big dream. Thank you, drunk women.
What do we call them? Sandra and Debbie or something like that. Sandra and Debbie, I love you.
Big mood, Sandra and Debbie. Thank you. I was going to say I've been left unattended, but then I passed them and they kept walking, so I guess I'm still adultless. I don't know. Yeah, we're going to go on a little adventure. These guys and those guys.
Everyone has that.
down. Down. Hands up!
Best boy Drew has brought us chocolate.
Best boy.
He's a good boy.
I don't think we've got again. I don't think we've got a pan down of the gorgeousness that is Blair right now yet. Yeah, sparkle, sparkle. Look at this. Yeah. We're doing a last-minute panel, so we're gonna do like a cosplay as a group. That's the plan.
Cosplay, characterization, cosplay as a group, whatever, we're gonna talk.
We're making it up. So, business as usual.
Yeah.
Boy.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
It's April.
And we are driving in this hellscape.
It is midnight, coming back from Birmingham MCM.
Nope.
No, it's not. Insomnia. Sorry, just because it was snowing again, I thought we were still at MCM, but no.
I think you're forgetting because it is late and we're very tired. So.
And it's April. Why is it snowing everywhere? I hope we get home soon. We're doing our best. Alice is being best girl, as always.
I'm trying.
Godspeed, Banders. Godspeed.